I went to Wiley Elementary, and I remember that so well. I got to take violin and Chinese, and I took my first photography class. There were a lot of seeds that were planted, and I mean, I use a lot of these things every single day. I do photo shoots every single day. We're editing videos, we're working with musicians. Sarah and I met in high school back in the 1900s, and we've been together ever since. We grew up here and we thought we needed to get out, so we went straight to New York. And that was cool, and we got to like see and learn. And then we realized that like the cost of living, the time, space, energy that it takes to incubate ideas, like that could happen here. And so we came back. We started making jeans in our apartment back in 2006, just as a project. Sarah was still in design school at NC State, but I was spending a lot of time up in the mountains, and I met all these people that worked in the denim factories, and I learned a lot about denim and the history and kind of connection to North Carolina. So we started buying sewing machines, we started making jeans in our apartment, people started buying them. You know, a friend of a friend got us in touch with a guy in New York. All of a sudden we got a meeting with Barney's New York in the fall of 2008. We've never been to a buying meeting, a selling meeting. We never worked for another brand. We honestly didn't know what we were doing, but it was all heart and it was all honest, and it was like, and we actually were making a better thing. I think there's an incredible opportunity for freedom of thought in Raleigh, and there's enough of a supportive community that's hungry to help entrepreneurs, artists, creatives, new businesses. Like, we want new and interesting things as a community. And so there's this there's a fostering of this creativity that exists. Like, we exist because people supported us in the early years. Raleigh Denim Workshop started as a really focused project to make like the most beautiful pair of jeans, the ideal pair of jeans for us. So we were very, very focused on denim, but that's grown. What's next is we're gonna keep going, and we're gonna keep growing, and we're gonna keep designing, and there's a lot more that we want to do.